assault with a dangerous weapon and assault and battery with a dangerous weapon and disorderly conducting the discovery of peace. And Stephen Perry on docket number 09CR 1723, it alleges that on October 16, 2009, he committed 2 counts of assault and battery with a dangerous weapon for disorderly and disturbing peace.
Okay, come up making any requests tonight?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd ask for bail warnings to be given to each defendant. In addition, I'd ask for no contact with any of the named victims in both complaints. In addition, with respect to Stephen Perry, I'd ask that there be no abuse or contact with the following names. Charlene Pierce.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Not to cut you off, but let me get them arraigned and address the question of counsel. And then, what was the? Were they released to appear?
They were summoned.
Summons?
Yes.
Okay. Is Stephen Perry eligible for appointed counsel? He lives with the parents? And Marc Perry doesn't. First, with respect to Stephen Perry, who's Stephen Perry? Okay. Sir, I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf on these charges. You have a right to hire your own lawyer. The court will appoint counsel if you ask. Yeah. And there will be a fee of $150. Do you want appointed counsel on this matter?
I don't know.
Attorney Lewin, are you available?
I am.
So that's, the court is appointing Attorney Lewin for Stephen Perry. Marc Perry, court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Again, you have a right to hire your own lawyer. You also are eligible for appointed counsel. Are you asking the court for appointed counsel? Okay, do we have, is Attorney Colby available? Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
150 on both, Judge.
150 on. Okay, now, back to the conditions of release. Counsel, if you could just listen to see whether these are agreed upon conditions of release, I would appreciate it. First, with respect to Stephen Perry, what are the conditions you're asking for?
With respect to Stephen Perry, I'd ask that bail warnings be given. In addition, I'd ask for no contact with the named victim, Alexander Crickle. In addition, I'd ask for no contact with Charlene Pierce, Crystal Mahoney, Adam Davis, and Scott Connolly.
Okay. Counsel, is there any reason why those conditions can't be complied with?
No, Your Honor, that's
okay.
fine.
So the court will release on personal recognizance with those conditions. That's with respect to Stephen Perry. Were you able to get those names?
The one that complained.
Okay. And with here's Steve. With respect to Marc Perry, what is the Commonwealth requesting?
With respect to Marc Perry, the Commonwealth is also asking for bail warnings to be given. In addition, we'd ask for no contact with any of the named victims in the complaint. In addition, we'd ask for no contact with Alexander Colonel.
Okay. Any objection to those conditions, Counsel?
There is no objection.
Okay. Those conditions will enter. What date
The only date that we can agree on, or the closest date that we can agree on, Your Honor, is 3/17,
Okay,
St. Patrick's Day. It's a Wednesday.
That's
Okay.
fine with the comment.
Okay, continue 3/17 for pretrial.
Okay, Mr. Stephen Perry, attorney, Lewin's been appointed to represent you. The legal counsel fee of $150, which is due by the next date that you'll be back here, which is March 17th. You're released on your personal recognizance with the condition that you have no contact with any of the named victims in this matter or in the Marc Perry matter. If you violate the conditions of your release, you could be held without any bail for up to 60 days. You need to report to the cash office before you leave. And Mr. Marc Perry, you have been appointed attorney Colby at a legal counsel fee of $150. You're to have no contact with the named victims in your complaint or Alexander Prickle. If you violate the conditions of your release, you could be held without any bail for up to 60 days. And you're due back here on March 17, 2010 for a pretrial hearing.